CN Club Awesome Toys, games, and fun.
Hi, we're back.
And
we
then
have
second
Shopkins
video.
of the day. Yes, second unboxing video of the day. We got Shopkins Season 6 recipe.
Recipe.
Oh, Chef Club. It's called Chef Club. Where this thing contains 4 recipe books. It contains 4 recipe books, 20 Shopkins, and 1 collector's guide.
Calvin, is that a mega pack?
One make.
Yeah, that says mega pack.
Oh, it
Because
is a
comes
mega
with
pack.
20 Shopkins.
That's what I said. Oh, okay. So this is the Calvin. Okay.
Listen, Calvin. Calvin, show them first.
Come show them.
Calvin.
So we have 2 recipe books and 20 Shopkins. Well, we didn't, Calvin.
Look. Oh, yeah, he's talking about this.
That's not duplicate.
Duplicate, but different color.
No, that one's better. That one's better. That one's chocolate. So here I'm just gonna open up the 2 other recipes and 2 Shopkins. So we're gonna get these out and then we're gonna share them with you. Oh wow, these are hard. Those are definitely not what I was expecting. I was expecting recipes to be on
I
here.
got mysteries.
Ooh, we got mystery ones.
Whoa.
We got 2 mystery ones.
Okay.
Mystery bag number 1.
Mystery.
This was really loud.
Yeah, I know. You might you have to do it in another room or something. Come sit down. What?
This is like toy.
Oh wow, it is. Oh, this is a really big one. Okay, let's open up the blind bag ones before we search for them. I'll make a little hole for you. Okay,
I need new shot.
and then we have this one
Ooh, chocolate cake.
right here.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay, Calvin.
okay. Here's the other one.
Okay, Mom. Get. Oh.
Wait, if I got this correct, this is like an ultra rare. Like,
Here we go, Calvin.
it's polished. It's ultra rare. Devin, we got 2 ultra rare polish.
Ultra rare.
Well, I killed them.
Because they're polish finish. So So that means they're shiny.
No, how they stop it? Stop running them
Okay, we definitely have to
over.
store these in our
Stop
recipe
knocking them
books.
over.
Oh, I'm sorry. So I'm just gonna put them in our recipe books already until it's time to call out the names because we got 2 ultra rares. That's my dad. Dad.
Ultra rare.
You might remember him from Pokemon videos.
Calvin, here we go.
Okay, so now we gotta find out the names of
Gonna-
all of these. This
Calvin,
is gonna take a while.
2 more anak. This time. Calvin, 2 more anak.
Are they?
Look.
This one is Pippa Lemon, who is a common. I'm Pippa Lemon.
Are they? I think this orange. I think this is Orange Punch Out.
That's an onion.
I don't think this is
That's
it.
an onion.
Mommy, I think his name is Onion Punch Out.
Onion punch out.
This is Adam Apple, who is a bear.
Oh, got 2 more.
This is Melissa Milk, who is a common. This is Shelly Egg, who is also a common.
Shelly. Egg.
This is Sam Soy, because it's soy sauce,
Are they?
who is a common.
Mommy.
Yes.
This one is
I think
button
this,
mushroom.
I think this
Is
is.
it common?
I don't think. I think
Right.
this is Onion Punch Out.
Okay, let me see. Okay.
Oh.
I'll check anak.
This is chalk chips. This is little chalk bottle. This is, who is this? I think it's Bay.
I don't see that one here. It's
Oh, Charlie Cheese, who is a common.
cherry onion.
Really onion.
This
What
is,
See?
Where's
Cherry onion.
he? Where is he?
He's a.
this is
Are they?
Parmesan Petey, who is a rare. What?
They chili onion.
Cherry onion.
Terry Onion? What is he?
Here.
He's a common.
Okay.
What's
Come in and show it. Come in and show it.
He's cherry onion and he's a common.
This is Toasty Warm, who is a rare. We got a good amount of rares actually. Broccoli is, what's the broccoli?
And I'm back right here.
Fried rice.
Bethany,
Mushroom.
Bethany,
Fried
Bethany
chili.
Broccoli, who is a common.
Oh, look at Freddy fried rice. I think that's what they have.
I think what is common?
This is,
Where are your ultra rares, Calvin?
done recipe books, so they don't get ruined.
Ooh.
Spinach. Oh, this is Polly Paisley,
Here is a recipe
who is a
to
rare.
make Princess cupcake.
Sugar. It's not cane sugar. Oh,
Okay.
it's Cassie Castor sugar.
Okay, well, we have.
Who is a rare.
We need.
This one is. It looks like rice. Mommy, where did you find the one with rice?
Right here. And the fried rice.
Where is it?
Yep, you got jasmine rice.
Oh, this is Winona waffles. Ultra rare. Winona waffles.
What's the name? Oh, yeah. This one is.
Here's our coal. Here's our coordinate.
It looks like strawberry ice cream.
Ooh, I know.
It's cake.
Baby Tubbs, who's a bear.
And
I don't
this
think
is a recipe book.
Oh, this is honey. Runny honey.
Really honey.
Okay. Excuse me. So,
This
we have one more.
ultra rare, sweet. Sweet's honey.
So, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like if you did.
No, Mom, it's so hard.
Oh, it's hard to open. Okay. There you go.
Why would you
So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want us to do. Like I said in our previous video, we're trying to do a smoothie challenge soon. Maybe like in another month. But comment down below what you guys want to see. Maybe you guys want to see something else. So we'll try to get it. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
Bye.